Hi guys, welcome back. I know it's been a little while since I've made a video. It's just been really hectic with my work schedule and trying to find like a work-life balance. But I did see this photo again on Pinterest and I love the color story of like the warmer tones, the corals, and then a little bit of the green. So I thought I would whip out my Wicked by One Size palette that I just recently bought. It has like the perfect amount of like green shades in there, really pretty. So I wanted to play with that. So you'll see the photo in the thumbnail that I was inspired by. Also on my Instagram page, I will have it linked with all of the products used and some close-up photos. So I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Sorry again that it's been a little while since I've made one. I'm trying to get better at that, but I also have to prioritize people in my life and work because this is not my full-time job doing YouTube. I never wanted it to be. I just like doing it for giving you guys inspiration and kind of breaking down some looks that you can be able to achieve. So I hope that you like it, and let's just jump right in.
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche, we're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
And that Buxom lip gloss brings us to our last step of this tutorial. I kind of had to be creative and mix a few colors together here to create this lip color because I didn't have one in my actual stash of makeup. So I hope that you did like it. I can feel it tingling right now as it's plumping my lips up to make them nice and juicy. But I hope that you did enjoy this quick little tutorial. I will hope to get on here again in the near future to make up another one, as long as I'm seeing inspiration that I'm liking and I want to try out some new products that I have. So I will see you then. Thanks guys. Bye.